how to recover MeetMe account. So if you want to recover MeetMe account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for MeetMe, and once you've searched, here you will have www.meetme.com. Click on the first search and it will take you to the website, right? So if you want to log in with your Facebook, then you can go for a login with Facebook, but you can also go for member login. And here to log into your MeetMe, first you need to enter your email address. Simply enter your email address, and once you've entered the email, here you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you can click on forgot password. So here you don't remember your password, right? And now if you want to recover your password, then you can simply click on forgot password, which is here below the password option. Here it says that you need to enter your email address on this blank, and they'll send you a link to reset your password. This must be the same email address you used to log in. So you need to enter the email address here, and once you've entered the email address, click on submit, and now you've received a confirmation code. So open up your mail that you have just entered, and here you will have the instructions. So here if you want to change your password, then you can click on this link, and after clicking on that link, it will take you to set new password. So from here you can set your new password. So what you can do is you can enter your email address here on the first blank, and then you need to enter the new password on this second blank. And once you've entered your new password, here on the next, you can again retype your password to confirm it. And after entering your new password on these two blanks, you can simply click on submit, and your password will be changed and you will be logged into your account. So that's how you reset or recover MeetMe account password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.